Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the half hairs and tie it on the back. Now after that divide the hairs and then we'll be making the plaits on it by dividing the hairs into 3 parts. So tie the hairs till the end carefully as shown in the video. Fix it as we are fixing hair properly one by one. Now after tying it, fix it till the end like this. Now take the hairs from the sides and tie it above the plaited hairs. Now tie it with the rubber band like this. So fix it carefully as shown in the video. Now after that, rotate the hairs like this. So now after rotating it, fix them together and put a hair clip over it. And your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. So take the hairs like this from the side and then tie it like this. So divide them into 2 parts and then roll them together like this. So now after rolling it, tie it with the rubber band at the end. Now after that, take the hairs from the other side and perform the same steps in the same manner like this. So roll it carefully as shown in the video. Now roll it and then take it till the end. Fix it and then tie the hairs together on the back. Fix it properly and then join the hairs like this. Tie it with the rubber band as shown in the video. Fix it and then after that, we'll be putting the hair clips and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs and make a ponytail. So now after that, divide the hairs into 2 parts. Now tie them by dividing them under the hairs like this. Divide it and tie them like this. Tie the hairs and repeat the process for a few more times in the same manner. Divide it and tie them and fix it one by one as shown in the video. Fix it till the end in the same manner. Repeat the process for a few more times. Now at the end, we'll be joining the hairs together. Fix it properly. Keep following these steps for a few more times. Fix it properly at the end, and then after that we'll be folding it like this little bit and then fix it as shown in the video. So tie it properly and fix it. So now fold it like this and tie it with the rubber band and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then tie it with the rubber band like this. So fix it carefully as shown in the video. Now after tying the hairs, we'll be rotating the hairs like this. So rotate it carefully as shown here. Now after that, take the hairs from one side and roll it like this. So now take all the hairs and fix it in the between of the hairs like this. Now spread the hairs as we are showing here. Now tie it with the rubber band and fix the hairs. Fix it till the end and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be putting small section of the hairs in the front and tie the another section of the hairs on the back like this. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then divide it and then rotate it from the between and then join them together on the back like this. Now fix the hairs by opening the hairs like this and put a hair clip and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail on the back like this. Now after making the ponytail, we'll be folding it upward in the half and fix it like this. Now after that, we'll be fixing the hairs by folding it upward like this and spread the hairs and then put a rubber band over it like this to make a bun. Fix the hairs like this. Now fix the hairs and spread it little bit by stretching it from the sides like this. Make a bun and your hairstyle will be ready. We'll be showing you some more beautiful hairstyles, so watch the video till the end and follow along. Thanks for watching our video.